In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a concept map in Canva. If you're trying to organize complex ideas, plan out a workflow, or simply turn a messy brainstorm into something visual and clear, Canva's whiteboard tool makes the process much easier. Instead of manually placing shapes and lines on a fixed page, you can work on an infinite canvas that gives you plenty of space and much better flexibility. To get started, open Canva from the homepage and go to the top right corner where you'll see the Create a Design button. Click that, then choose Whiteboard from the available options. This is important because the whiteboard gives you the large, open workspace needed for building connected idea structures. It also supports the smart connectors and flexible layout tools that make concept maps easier to manage. Once your blank whiteboard is open, move to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Design or Templates section. This opens a panel where you can search for ready-made layouts. In the search bar, type something like Concept Map, Mind Map Flowchart, or System Architecture Diagram. Canva will show you a variety of templates you can use as a starting point. Pick the one that matches your idea best, then click it to place it directly onto your canvas. Using a template can save time and also gives your map a more polished structure right away. Now it's time to customize the content. Click into the main center node and replace the placeholder text with your primary topic. Then move through the surrounding nodes and update each one with your subtopics or supporting ideas. If you need more room, drag the corners of the shape to resize it or adjust the side handles to improve the text wrapping. You can also use the toolbar at the top to change colors and fonts. This helps create a visual hierarchy so the most important ideas stand out clearly. Next, connect your ideas with lines. Go back to the left sidebar, click Elements, then find the Shapes section and choose a line. Drag it onto the canvas and pull each endpoint toward your shapes. As you get close, Canva will show anchor points. Snap the line into place there. This creates a live connection, which means if you move a node later, the line will automatically adjust and stay attached. That's one of the most useful parts of working in Whiteboard. When your concept map starts getting larger, you may want to organize entire sections together. Click and drag across a group of connected nodes and lines to select them all. Then use the group option from the floating menu or use the keyboard shortcut for grouping on your device. This keeps